Okay, so next we'll be discussing about another sampling technique, which is convenience sampling. We'll have an example first. Now just imagine that researcher wants to understand about career goals of students of Karnataka University. Now let us say that this university has roughly around 10,000 students. So these 10,000 students will be our population, that is capital N, right? Now each of the 10,000 student is known as a unit, a case or an object. Now in order to select a sample of students from this population of 10,000 students, we could choose to use a convenience sampling now. So let us imagine that because we have a very small budget and limited time, we choose a sample size of around 100 students. Okay, so small, and that is sample will be our 100 students. So a convenient sample is simply one where the units that are selected for inclusion in the sample are the easiest to access. This is in stark contrast to a probability technique or probability sampling technique, where the selection of units is made randomly and we need to do more work in probability sampling. For the non-probability sampling, the selection of sample will be very much easy. Okay, now coming back to our example. As such, we would continue to invite students to take part in the research until our sample size was reached, that is 100 students. Since the aim of convenience sampling is easy to access, we may simply choose to stand at one of the main entrance of the campus of the Karnataka University, where it would be easy to invite as many students that pass by to take part in the research. Okay, so this is how in our convenience we'll be doing. Now we'll have some notes about this. This is also known as accidental or haphazard sampling. Sample is selected according to the convenience of the researcher. No pre-planning is necessary for the selection of samples. The convenience may be in respect of availability of source list, accessibility of the units, etc. So how would you apply the convenient sampling technique to our investigation question, that what percentage of Indians support tobacco chewing? For this, suppose you are a news reporter investigating people from various places in India about this question. By this, you will get the public opinion. Just select every other person in the street. So this is how we can do the survey in our convenience. Next, we shall check out few of the advantages of convenience sampling. Simplicity of sampling and the ease of research. Data collection can be facilitated in short duration of time. Cheapest to implement than alternative sampling method. Convenience sampling is very easy to carry out with few rules governing how the sample should be collected. A convenience sampling may be used in any one or more cases when the population is not clearly defined. Next, we shall check out disadvantages of convenience sampling. Convenience sampling, which is regarded as one of the weakest of all sampling procedures. If you do use convenience sampling, be extremely cautious in interpreting the findings and know that you cannot generalize the finding. There is no way except by repeating the study using probability sampling to estimate error introduced by the convenience sampling procedures. So this was all about the disadvantages of convenience sampling, and this was all about our today's video regarding convenience sampling. I hope you people found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.